Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to talk about Sundae Real Estate, a company that specializes in buying distressed properties and offering competitive cash offers to homeowners looking to sell their homes quickly and easily. If you're a homeowner struggling to sell a property that needs significant repairs or has tax liens, this video is for you. Let's dive in and explore what Sundae Real Estate has to offer. Sundae Real Estate is a company that specializes in buying distressed properties, such as homes that need significant repairs or have tax liens. Sundae offers competitive cash offers to homeowners, aiming to help them sell their homes quickly and easily. Sundae's services are available in several states across the U.S., including California, Texas, and Florida. Homeowners can submit information about their property through Sundae's online platform, which allows them to receive a cash offer within 24 hours. Sundae provides personalized attention to each customer through its team of real estate experts, who guide homeowners through the selling process. Sundae is committed to transparency, with no hidden fees or commissions, and offers a free 30-minute consultation to help homeowners understand the selling process. Sundae uses data-driven pricing strategies to ensure fair market value for both the company and the homeowner. Sundae's team of real estate experts handles all aspects of the selling process, including coordinating property inspections, managing repairs, and handling closing documents. Sundae also offers assistance with relocation, including a free 14-day stay at a hotel for homeowners who need to move out of their home quickly. Overall, the article concludes that Sundae Real Estate is a reputable and reliable option for homeowners looking to sell their homes quickly and easily, particularly those with distressed properties. So that's it for today's video. We hope you found it informative and useful. If you're considering selling a distressed property, Sundae Real Estate could be a great option for you to explore. With its personalized attention, commitment to transparency, and data-driven pricing strategies, Sundae offers a reliable and reputable solution for homeowners looking to sell quickly and easily. As always, if you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more real estate content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.